It's raining so much. Are you cold?
A little, but I'm okay with you.
We'll wait until it stops. I'm here.
Okay.
It's raining so much. Are you cold?
A little, but I'm okay with you.
We'll wait until it stops. I'm here.
Okay.
It's okay. Hold my hand.
Where are we going? Just a little further.
It's so wet. She's not here either.
She can't be far. Let's keep looking.
What if something happened?
We'll find her. Stay with me.
Look, up ahead. Do you see that?
I see it. Let's slow down.
I recognize that shape. It's them.
You're right. Let's go see.
The rain is slowing down, isn't it?
Yes, and the air smells so fresh.
Look, the sun is peeking out. Can we play when it stops?
Of course, sweetie.
The rain makes everything sparkle, doesn't it?
Yes, Daddy, the trees look so pretty.
It does feel very peaceful out here.
I like the rain.
The houses look so warm and inviting.
They do. A perfect end to the day.
Look at the lights. They're like stars.
They are, sweetheart.
Can we
Magical.
walk here again?